People should definitely support and donate to CPRE, both time and money, because it is so important. I mean, there's two things about CPRE: it does really, really important work, and it's the only body that does the important work it does. It is the only real defender of the countryside in Britain. My argument, something I'll be talking about here today in my farewell address to the troops, is the English countryside is, in my view, the single greatest achievement of this country. There is nothing more perfect and enjoyable and pleasurable on a larger scale than the English countryside. And it's also now one of the most vulnerable things there is. And if it weren't for CPRE, most of it would have been lost already. And if it's to have any future at all, and I do think it does, it will be because CPRE is here to defend it.